show this time.
Why not?
Because I'm busy.
It's nothing. Fire drill.
What is that?
Fire drill.
Hey, what the hell is going on?
The computer's covered! Move it!
Damn it, I'm trying!
The experiments! Move them!
Shouldn't the doors open or something?
It's supposed to take us to the nearest floor. Hello? Hello?
What's happening?
Line's dead. What's the problem?
The doors won't open!
What about the ones at the back?
Locked as well.
There's no fire here! No fire! There's
The code doesn't work!
No fire! What's wrong with you?
This water isn't going anywhere!
What?
It's a sealed room!
Help me with the door!
Oh, fuck the doors!
We have to get out of here. What's going on? Has this happened before? We have to get out of here. We have to get out of here.
Take it easy.
Do you take it easy?
Quiet!
What is that?
Oh my God.
Let me see.
We have to get out of here. We have to get out of this building.
Here, give me a hand. It's as far as they'll go. They're caught on something.
It's wide enough. I can squeeze through. I'll get help. I'm stuck. You're gonna have to push. That's it. A bit more.
What was that?
Oh, Christ! It's the brakes!
Get out!
I can't.